अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम शॉर्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे पांच इनके मेरिट्स और डीमेरिट्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। अरिथमेटिक मीन, ज्योमेट्रिक मीन और हार्मोनिक मीन, इनके पांच मेरिट्स और डीमेरिट्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्टली मेरिट्स ऑफ अरिथमेटिक मीन। इसके फर्स्ट क्या है? इट कैन बी easily calculated and can be easily understood. It is the reason that it is the most used measure of central tendency. Second है, as the mathematical formula is rigid one, therefore the result remains the same. Fluctuations are minimum for this measure of central tendency when repeated samples are taken from one and the same population. Fourth है, it is least affected by the fluctuation of sampling. Fifth, it is easy to comprehend. Number sixth क्या है? Due to its strict definition, it is mostly used to compare issues. Demerits of arithmetic mean क्या है? First है, it is impossible in case of open-ended classes to calculate the arithmetic mean without making an assumption about the magnitude of the class. Second, arithmetic mean cannot be computed for qualitative data, such as data on IQ, beauty, honesty, etc. Third है, extreme values have an undue influence on the arithmetic average because it is calculated from all. Lastly है, arithmetic mean cannot be estimated by simply observing a series, just like in the case of mean, median or mode. Merits of arithmetic mean में क्या होता है? फर्स्ट है, the calculation is based on all the terms of sequence. It is suitable for further mathematical analysis. Third, fluctuations in the sample do not affect the geometric mean. Fourth, it gives less weight to large items and more to small items. Fifth, it is useful for calculating average ratios and percentages and in determining rates of increase or decrease. Demerits of arithmetic mean. First, it is not easy to understand as it involves logarithmic operations. Second, it is difficult to calculate as it involves finding out of the root of the products of certain values either directly or through logarithmic operations. Number third है, it cannot be calculated even if the number of negative values is odd. Fourth है, it cannot be calculated if any value of a series is 0. हार्मोनिक मीन के मेरिट्स हैं. The harmonic mean is rigidly defined. It is based on all the observations. It is suitable for further mathematical treatment. Number fourth है, since the reciprocals of the values of a variable are involved, it gives greater weightage to small observations and as such is not very much affected by one or two big observations. Fifth merit है, it is not affected very much by fluctuations in sampling. Sixth है, it is particularly useful in averaging special types of rates and ratios. Demerits of arithmetic हार्मोनिक मीन में हमने क्या डिस्कस किया है? फर्स्ट, it is not easy to understand and calculate. Its value cannot be obtained even if one value of observation is 0. Third, it gives a high weightage to small values. Fourth, its scope is limited than arithmetic mean. Fifth, harmonic mean is highly affected by the extreme values in the series. इस शॉर्ट वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया है अरिथमेटिक मीन, ज्योमेट्रिक मीन एंड हार्मोनिक मीन के पांच मेरिट्स और डीमेरिट्स को. शॉर्ट वीडियो है, इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड है, इंशाल्लाह आपके लिए मुफीद साबित होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.